this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo code for MoneyGram. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. I'm going to head on over to Google. And now from here, I'm going to type in promo code for MoneyGram. And as you can see, a whole list of results appear. And you got the big third-party retailers like Retail Me Not. You got Coupon Follow, Groupon, Don't Pay Full, etc. We thrift it. So to activate any one of these deals for this particular website, I like using We Thrift It. So you got MoneyGram promo codes, 23% off June. So I'm going to click into this. And now I'm going to scroll down and choose an offer that you best suits your needs or what you want to use. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use 10% off. And you can even show the history here. So you can see here, that was last used 8 hours ago, 847 total uses. MoneyGram coupon code was reported working by shoppers 1 day ago. So now to copy this code and activate it, simply click on copy code. It's copied to clipboard. And now paste this code at the checkout section of MoneyGram to activate that coupon code. Look for a place at the checkout section that says enter promo or discount code, and then paste it in there to activate it.